lakonas. We don't have shoes.
Ano? Gusto mo yung suit yung chinelas ng pantubig?
The water shoes now. It's okay. Shit. Put lakonas with our slippers on.
Dito na po ako.
Is it worth it to bring our boats? Thank you, thank you. Sorry guys for that lot of us. Say hi guys. There they are. We're starting our hike. This is about a mile and a half hike, I think. Oh my god! This thing! Ah! No! Huh? I know, because Tito June is like all the way there. If I fall, shit, just up here. Because I'm doing a video at the same time. Should have worn my shoes. Good thing that you guys are wearing your shoes. Look at that, rocks. Are you gonna touch anything, huh? There's a poison oak daw.
Kain na sa'yo.
Alin? Oh, I know. Should have brought it with you. That's the same as our boat, Ania. The one I bought? Oh, shit. Ang sabihin, bakit dami multiple holes na?
Tumama sa mga to.
Oh, shit. Oh, yeah? Dapat i-deflate mo yung bago kami maglakad. Before you guys head out.
On the way back.
On the way back, you deflate it. Huh? Tama-tama to. Pagdating natin itong gutom na tayo. I'm tired. I'm tired already. Selfie spot?
Yeah. Selfie spot on the Dry Creek. You got it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Again.
Everybody down.
On. So we just did a selfie. Move on. Oh my god, look at that. How is it so far? Hiking.
Yeah.
With the slippers on.
Perfect. My mopo.
Yeah, gonna eat your goat.
My Mobius.
That's it. At the back, right there. Si John, lakad na ba dito?
Who?
John.
There's only one trail.
No, there's another one over there. Okay, this is where the steep road. Come on, Dad. Ang bilis siya maglakad, Dad, oh. Hey. Oh my gulay. So stiff. What if you fall down there? Ah, hold me, please. Ito. Dito.
Ayan, bud. Go.
Be careful, guys.
Some red sand.
Darn it. Wow, look at this hiking stuff.
Paprika.
I didn't know you need to wear shoes.
There you go.
You didn't wear shoes, Dad. Yeah.
Turn brown after that.
Hear the water now? Some people are down there.
Yan ang kibo.
Ayun yung cave sa ilalim. My God, it looks like near, but it's not yet near. How are we gonna get down there? Look at that. Wow, they walk fast. You have to go down first.
That's all right.
Where's everyone? Diretso kayo, nandun sila sa diretso. Come on, this way. This way on the wrong side. Ah, shit. Ah! There's the stairs here. Stairs, 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 stairs. We're here. Ah, this is the bench. Oh, there's a cave. The missing cave. Found it. It's over there. There's the cave. God, you gotta find a spot for us there. Somewhere. Shit. Devon, let's go. You get lost. We're here, resting and eating. Look at that, guys. Hi. Ready to swim. The 3 Marias are ready. Come on, Nia, go down. It's cold. Ooh. But I'm in the water already. So. Ang lamig. Parang ano? Water refrigerator. Look at that. Look at the cave. There's a lot of people there. They're borrowing the thing, the pump. Shit, cold. It's cold. John, what are you doing there?
Taking the bottom in.
Okay, you guys go there.
A few moments later.
Oh, Daddy's carrying. It's the second time going down. He's carrying the boat raft. Dad, say hi. Look at him. Okay, look at that. Oh, spooky. Okay, where are you right now, dude?
Under the cave.
In Valecito, California.
San Isidro.
How many hours do you have to drive here? Ah, 2.5. Man, there's like water falling on my face. Shit. I had to take off from the thing. So it's
I'm
nice.
manhandling this paddle.
Nice. Look at that. My husband is doing the paddling. Oh, see, that's the end of the tunnel. That's the end of the... Ah, you know, before they used to have like the falls, like yung water drop. There. See, that's it.
There it is.
What these two doing? Para kayong lovebirds dyan, no?
Paddle on my side, paddle on your side. Paddle?
Do you know how to do this? You know your way back? Oh my god, this is so cute.
Time to go home, dang it.
Huh?
It's on the queue.
Queue for go home?